Welcome back to Bike Zone Official Reviews, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and expert breakdowns. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a midweight adventure motorcycle designed to offer the perfect balance of power, technology, and versatility for riders across the United States. This model represents Honda's dedication to making adventure riding more accessible, while still offering the legendary performance that the Africa Twin series is known for. A legendary lineage reimagined. The Africa Twin name has long been associated with exploration and durability, with a heritage rooted in Honda's dominance of the Paris-Dakar Rally in the 1980s. Over the years, the Africa Twin evolved into a larger, premium adventure platform, beloved by riders around the globe. With the introduction of the 650 cubic centimeters model, Honda has created a machine tailored for riders who want all the excitement and DNA of its bigger sibling in a lighter, more approachable package. This mid-weight version is ideal for riders who crave versatility, whether it's urban commuting, weekend trails, or cross-country adventures. Engine performance and character. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, purpose-built to deliver smooth, linear power and impressive torque. Honda has implemented a 270-degree crankshaft, giving the bike a distinct exhaust note and improving traction on technical terrain. With a healthy power band, this engine makes highway cruising effortless while still offering enough punch to tackle off-road climbs and challenging routes. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, thanks to Honda's advanced fuel injection system, which offers excellent throttle response and lower emissions. This combination of performance, refinement, and reliability makes the Africa Twin 650 an attractive option for US riders who value both adventure and practicality. Dual transmission options for every rider. Honda continues to push boundaries with its dual-clutch transmission (DCT) technology available on this 650 model. Riders can enjoy seamless gear changes in automatic mode or take control with manual paddle shifters for a more dynamic experience. For those who prefer a traditional approach, a 6-speed manual transmission with a slipper assist clutch provides smooth engagement and reduced clutch effort. This dual-option approach is rare in the adventure segment, setting Honda apart from competitors. Advanced riding modes and electronics. The Africa Twin 650 is loaded with rider aids designed for different environments. The multiple riding modes include: Urban mode, ideal for city riding with smooth throttle response. Touring mode, offers highway stability and comfort. Gravel mode, adjusts traction and ABS for loose surfaces. Off-road mode, minimizes rider aids for maximum control. User mode, fully customizable settings for personalized riding. In addition, Honda's Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) offers multiple levels of traction control, while cornering ABS and wheelie control provide confidence on every ride. Cruise control comes standard, adding comfort for long-distance touring across the US. Suspension, frame, and off-road capability. Built for versatility, the Africa Twin 650 features a semi-double cradle steel frame engineered for strength without unnecessary weight. Paired with Showa long-travel suspension front and rear, it delivers excellent stability on highways and control over rocky trails. Its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels make this bike ideal for tackling challenging off-road terrain, while tubeless tires simplify roadside repairs during extended trips. Generous ground clearance and a manageable seat height ensure riders of different skill levels feel confident navigating tricky conditions. Bold adventure-ready design. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 features styling inspired by rally bikes, with sharp lines, aggressive bodywork, and a redesigned aerodynamic front fairing. The tall adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection for highway rides, while integrated handguards and skid plates add durability for rugged terrain. LED lighting all around ensures maximum visibility, while Honda offers a range of striking dual-tone color schemes, including the brand's iconic rally red and white. Connectivity and technology. Honda has incorporated modern tech to enhance the riding experience. The full-color TFT display integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and real-time diagnostics. Bluetooth pairing allows riders to manage calls, music, and notifications, while a USB-C charging port ensures devices remain powered on long trips. Safety and convenience features include tire pressure monitoring, cruise control, and customizable dashboards, making this one of the smartest adventure bikes in its segment. Touring comfort and ergonomics. The Africa Twin 650 is designed with rider comfort in mind, making it perfect for long US highway stretches or multi-day camping adventures. Its adjustable seat height, neutral handlebar position, and redesigned seat foam ensure comfort for a variety of riders. Vibration damping in both handlebars and foot pegs further reduces fatigue, while an optimized fuel tank design allows for better grip and rider control during off-road riding. Customization and accessories. Adventure bikes thrive on personalization, and Honda delivers with a wide range of genuine accessories. Riders can opt for aluminum panniers, top boxes, crash bars, auxiliary lights, and taller windscreens for touring. The lightweight rear subframe is built to handle heavy luggage, making the Africa Twin 650 a perfect platform for epic US road trips. Perfect fit for US riders. The Africa Twin 650 was designed with American roads and trails in mind. Riders can take it from winding mountain roads to desert landscapes and open highways without compromise. Its manageable size makes it appealing for riders upgrading from smaller adventure bikes, while still offering enough capability to satisfy seasoned ADV enthusiasts. Market competition and standout features. In a competitive segment with strong contenders like the Yamaha Tenere 700, KTM 890 Adventure, and Triumph Tiger 660, the Honda Africa Twin 650 stands out with its DCT transmission, premium technology, and Honda's renowned reliability. This bike bridges the gap between beginner-friendly models and heavyweight adventure bikes, offering a refined and versatile package at a competitive price. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is more than just a new release, it's a statement from Honda that midweight adventure bikes can be powerful, accessible, and packed with innovation. It carries the DNA of the legendary Africa Twin while introducing modern features that cater to today's riders. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, daily commutes, or backcountry exploration, this bike delivers performance, comfort, and versatility in one sleek package. Stay tuned to Bike Zone official reviews for more in-depth motorcycle breakdowns, first rides, and expert insights.